Why do I get decay on the roots of my teeth? It's a very common question that my patients ask me. You can see the food that's caught in between the teeth and the spaces that are there. A patient who has dry mouth, it's even worse because their mouth doesn't have saliva and the food sticks even more. You can see the tissue for this patient is nice and pink. This person brushes their teeth. He gets his teeth cleaned every 3 months and he flosses every day. But even doing all that, he needs to see the dentist, needs to see the hygienist, and you can see the actual plaque that's still sticking to the tooth. And even when he flosses, he's leaving plaque behind because floss stimulates the gum tissue. As you can see, it's pink there. It also removes some plaque, dislodges it, but in the contours of the tooth, the floss isn't able to get in there. And that's where there's multiple tools that a dentist and a hygienist can teach a patient on how to clean their teeth so that doesn't happen. But it really is one of those situations where patients need to be able to be empowered and understand that they need to spend more time with their teeth than the average person when they have this type of shrinkage of the gum. Very common for many people, and this particular one is like an average amount. We'll see in a little bit at the end of the video someone else that has a larger one. And here is the floss going in up against the gum, and you notice the gums aren't bleeding. It's not, and it's really been stimulated well. The blood is being flowed back into the system, but there's a lot of plaque there. And we clean that out, and when we go and look for all the other areas, there's the veneer in the front with the stain that's been there. Those veneers are about 20 years old, and the area of plaque that's right in that area. And so even though someone goes ahead and flosses, takes care of their teeth really, really well, they need more than just brushing and flossing to prevent decay. There's diet and many other things. Here's another patient. You can see the plaque that's just sitting there. Here again, this person gets their teeth cleaned every 3 months, cleans them, uses a water pick, does all sorts of things, but isn't able to get all the plaque off. And says, well, why in the world am I still getting decay? And this video will help for people to understand that there's more to it than just brushing and flossing your teeth. This January, my dental company is going to have a product. If people are interested, please contact me and I'll explain it.